Yum yum.
Hello, welcome back to my vlog. Today, ang lutuin natin ay sirloin steak. Alright, at isisison lang na po natin yung meat. Okay, nalagyan ko na po ng salt. Ngayon, lagyan naman natin ng lemon pepper. And irarab lang po natin para ma-absorb yung flavor niya sa meat. And babalik rin lang po natin. And then, isisison lang po natin yung kabilang side. Lagyan lang natin ng salt and the lemon pepper. And irarab lang natin ulit. Okay, nasison na po natin yung meat. Maglalagay lang tayo ng butter sa pan. Hintayin lang po natin na mag-melt yung butter. Alright, at ilalagay lang natin yung steak on the pan. At hintayin lang po natin mag-brown bago natin baliktarin. Okay, at medyo nag-brown na po siya at papaliktarin lang po natin. Ayan, looks yummy already. Ito yung gustong-gusto ng asawa ko na steak, yung well done. So, well done lang po natin. At pwede rin tayong maglagay ng vegetables on the side. Lalagyan natin ng asparagus and tomatoes. It's really delicious with the steak. Alright, and galang-galawin lang po natin yung vegetables hanggang sa maluto. So, I think luto na yung steak and gulay natin. Ayan po. Alright guys, here's our sirloin steak. Looks delicious, smells yummy. Ready to serve. Ayan. It's so simple. Madali lang itong gawin guys. Kayang-kaya nyo to. And it's tikiman time. Excited na yung asawa ko. Ayan. Because it's his favorite. Ayan, gustong-gusto niya.
Yum yum.
Masarap na masarap daw.
Wow, that is delicious.
Masarap naman talaga.
It's delicious, baby. Tender, juicy. Just done the way I like it.
Ayan, nagmumukbang na yata. Enjoy na enjoy siya sa dinner
Oh,
niya.
the asparagus is tender too.
O, diba? Napakasimple lang lutuin at masarap pa. So guys, you should try it too.
Oh, that's tasty.
At
That's very
magugustuhan
good.
nyo rin. Promise.
Sarap. Yummy.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my
Very good.
channel. Till next time.